Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On October 2, 2020, I placed my order at Caronia official store at Shopee to buy their newest Serenity nail polish collection. I pre-ordered this set and it's only 155 pesos. Then I received it on October 9, 2020. It's in a box set like this. On the left side of the box, you can scan their QR code. And at the back of the box, you can see the details about this collection. And on top of it, it says, Reinventing the Classics. By the way, I've already cut the seal of the box, so now let's open it. And now I'm cutting the seal below. At the bottom of the bottles, you can see their manufactured date. Now I'm taking out each of the nail polishes. This collection has 5 classic shades, which are Felicity, Misti, Evergreen, NIRVANA, and ENDLESS. Before I swatch each of them, I'm applying my favorite peel-off nail mask. Now let's first swatch Felicity. Then I'm applying the second coat. Felicity is a lighter shade of gray you can use for a simple yet refined look. Second shade to swatch is Misti. Now for the second coat. This shade is a bit patchy on its second coat, so I'm applying a third coat. Misti is a peachy shade ideal to show off your girly style. Third shade is Evergreen. And I'm applying the second coat. Evergreen is an earthy shade of green fitting to flaunt your adventurous side. Fourth we have is Nirvana. Now for its second coat. Nirvana is a vibrant shade of yellow-orange, perfect to express your bubbly personality. And the last shade to swatch from this collection is Endless. Then for its second coat. Endless has a soft lilac shade for a more relaxed and chilled vibe. The 5 shades from this collection have creme finishes. You can buy this set at Caronia official store on Shopee. It is said that Caronia's latest collection of colors showcases a laid-back feel, which you can enjoy using during your Girl Squad bonding moments. The Caronia Nail Polish Serenity collection is inspired by subtle and delicate color palette that you can complement with any outfit. And now here are all of my picture swatches. Which from Felicity, Misti, Evergreen, Nirvana, and Endless is your favorite shade? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!